So hello my dear students, in this video I am going to tell you how to do question number 1 to 4 of exercise 9.2. So let us see. So first of all, this question number 1 says that which is greater. Which is greater means you need to compare both of these numbers, that which number is greater. But for that, first of all, you must have to know that how to compare the numbers. First of all, for comparison, you must have to convert both of the units, both of the digits or both of the numbers in the same unit. Like if we have 30 meter and 300 centimeters, we can't compare like this. For this, first of all, we need to compare, either we can compare the meter into centimeter or centimeter, this centimeter into meter. So that will move, which is more easier? Of course, from converting meter to centimeter, that is more easier. So let us see how to convert. If we have 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, okay, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So when we see 30 meters, so 30 meter will be equal to, yes, you are right, you have to multiply 30 by 100. So you will get 30 multiplied by 100 as 3000 centimeter. So now you have both the numbers. One is 30 meter, you can write down as 300 centimeter, 3000 centimeter, sorry, 3000 centimeter, and this is already in centimeter, 300 centimeters. So now you can compare which is greater. Of course, this one. So we'll write down in the answer 30 meter is greater, because we have to write down the exact value which is being given in the question. So 30 meter is greater. Okay, so sorry for the handwriting. So fine. This is question number 1. Let us see how to do question number 2 now. Question number 2 says that convert the following into meters. So first of all, we have to see it is already in centimeter and this is in meters. So we have to convert into meters. That means this is already in the meters. We need to convert the centimeter into the meters. So how we will do? Well, first of all, let us see the relationship between, if 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, if 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, then what is 1 centimeter equal to? If we convert into meters, so it will be 1 upon 100 meters. Just reverse. We are just reversing it, because when we are converting the bigger unit to the smaller unit, we just simply multiply. So 1 multiplied by 100 will be 100 centimeter. But when we are converting the smaller unit to the bigger unit, we need to divide. So we are dividing 1 by 100. Whatever the relationship between is there, we need to just reverse that by dividing it. So now we know it is already in meters. We have to convert the 9 centimeter. So 9 centimeter will be equal to 9 upon 100. Okay, 9 upon 100 meters. So this will be 0.09. You all know how I did? By inserting the decimal. So now this is 0.09 and it was 15 already. So now we will add in. So 15 meter plus 0.09 meter will be equal to 15.09 meters. So like this you need to do all the parts. I hope I am clear with it. Let us see question number 3. Question number 3 says that converted these as directed. That means in question number 3 some different parts have been given. We need to read the part and then we have to do accordingly. So it is saying 256 millimeter into centimeter and millimeter. Okay. So we know again the relationship between the centimeter and millimeter. So 1 centimeter equals to, of course, 10 millimeters. Okay, so here we need to convert millimeter into centimeter, any reverse. So 1 meter, 1 millimeter will be equal to, yes, you are right, 1 upon 10 centimeter. So when we are converting 256 millimeter, 256 millimeter to centimeter, we need to divide 256 by 10. 256 by 10 and it will be in centimeter. So when we are inserting the decimal, how we are inserting, we need to count the number of 0, just 1 0. So we'll count from the back end side. So 6 के यहाँ पर यानी 25.6 centimeter, or we can write down is as 25 centimeter. 25, the whole number part will be in centimeter, and 6 millimeter. The decimal part will be in the millimeter thing. Okay, clear? So we have question number 3 with all different parts. B part is 725 millimeter into centimeter. So here also you will put the relationship between millimeter and centimeter. Here you will put the relationship between meter and kilometer. Here kilometer meter into kilometer. So all are different parts. You need to use their relationship accordingly. Let us see question number 4. Convert the following into grams. Okay, so again it is already in gram. We need to convert this into grams. So what we will do? It will be, first of all we'll write down the relationship between milligrams and grams. So we know 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Okay, so 1 milligram will be, of course, 1 upon 1000 gram. So when we are converting this 15 milligram, because 12 is already in gram na, so we don't need to convert that. So it will be 15 upon 1000. Okay, so it will be in grams, so it will be 0.015, because we need 3 digits after decimal, as we have 3 digits here in the 0. So now we can add 12 gram plus 0.015 gram will be equal to 12.015 gram. So this is our answer of question number 4, A part. So like this you need to complete question number 1 to 4 in today's homework. We'll meet you in tomorrow's online class. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Bye bye. Thank you.